The Yahtzee Score Card is your score sheet for tracking points across all 13 rounds of the classic Hasbro dice game. Each player gets their own column, and at the end you add up the upper and lower sections to find the grand total. Whether you are playing a quick family game or a competitive match, keeping an accurate scorecard is essential. At the top, write each player's name in their column. You can fit up to 5 players on a standard scorecard. Having names filled in helps keep track of whose column is whose, especially in longer games. The upper section scores 1s through 6s. You write the total of each matching die face. For example, if you roll 3 4s, you score 12 in the 4s box. Score 63 or more in the upper section, and you earn a 35-point bonus. The lower section scores combinations. 3 of a kind and 4 of a kind count the total of all 5 dice. A full house is worth 25. A small straight is 30, and a large straight is 40. Yahtzee itself is 50 points, and chance lets you total all 5 dice for any roll. Add the upper section total, the bonus if you earned it, and the lower section total together for your grand total. The highest grand total wins. If you roll Yahtzee more than once, each extra Yahtzee earns a 100-point bonus in the Yahtzee bonus box. Print yours free at FormsPal.com.